Forex traders. Welcome to Daily Trend's Forex Trading Strategy Complete Package, helping you reach your financial freedom. This strategy is brought to you by Forex Central. Enjoy learning how to set up my MT4 Forex trading chart. Number 1. Log into your Forex trading account. In your browser, type xm.com. Then click Member Login button. Number 2. Type your XM Real account number and password. Hit Login button. Then click Platforms menu. Number 3. Click MT4 for PC. Then click Download button. Number 4. Right-click on XM Global 4 Setup.exe and choose Run as Administrator. Then click Yes. Number 5. Click Next, then hit Finish. Number 6. Choose your trading server sent to you via Gmail by XM. Enter your login and password, then hit Finish button. Congratulations! Your MT4 Forex trading chart is now ready to trade. Thank you for watching. See the next video to learn more about Daily Trend's Forex trading strategy, helping you reach your financial freedom. Brought to you by Forex Central team. If you want to know more about this strategy, please visit us at www.https://forexcentral.online.